We are going to see objective type questions of part B. Already I made it one video related to objective type questions of part A. So let us start. So what is the process of entering a place in case of emergency disaster called? So that is known as evacuation. Okay. Then Richard needs to set up a network for his office where he wants to save all the data in a centralized system, and other computers will take the services from the centralized system. Which architecture will be the best suitable for him? So client server. Everyone know there is two types of architecture. One is client server and another one is peer to peer, or you can say point to point, right? Next, after that, which device that converts digital computer signals into a form that can be travel over phone lines and vice versa. So it may be analog to digital to analog and analog to digital. So that is modem. Okay. Next, which feature is specifically designed to minimize or maximize the result according to the set of rules that you define in a spreadsheet? So solver. In solver, you must have seen that we can maximize or minimize the result. Okay, we can design our own according to the set of rules. Next, what refers to the vertical or horizontal placement of a graphic in relation to chosen anchor point? So that is alignment. So alignment up vertically, horizontally, you can set it for the graphic also in Word, right? You must have seen in Word we are having alignment for that. Okay. Next, Krishna wants to make a flowchart for his programs in a Word document. Which option should be used to accomplish this task? So, drawing and shapes. Yes, smart art, everyone knows. Smart art is also one part, but yes, drawing shapes is mostly used by everyone for making a flowchart. Next, Rehan has inserted a picture in a document, but he wants to cut off a part of the picture. Which option he should use to accomplish the task? That is crop. Everyone know that in your mobile phones also you use the option of crop, right? So if you want to remove the unwanted parts or don't want that parts, then you can go for the crop option. The intersection point between a row and a column is called, so the intersection of row and column is called a cell. Everyone know that in the table we are having cells, rows and columns. Rows are horizontal, columns are vertical, and the cells, that is the intersection part. Anita is celebrating for 12th birthday. She wants to invite her friends and family members to the party. Which feature will she use to send the same invite to many people with different address without typing it again and again? अगर उसे टाइपिंग नहीं करना है और वापस अगेन एंड अगेन उसको टाइप नहीं करना है और सिर्फ मुझे सेंड करना है वही कंटेंट लेकर, then you have to go for the mail merge, right? So mail merge is very good option, but now we all go with the emails. In emails, we give it the mail addresses and the same content has been passed on to many of the people, right? That is by e-card you can do. What is the model that you use to create other documents called template, right? So you have seen that even in Word, Microsoft PowerPoint, you have the option of template. तो template देखकर आप उसको follow कर सकते हैं. Next, what can be used in a spreadsheet software to jump to a different location from within spreadsheet and can lead to other parts of the current file or even to the website? By linking, so hyperlinks. If you don't know that how to do the hyperlink of the spreadsheet, then you can go to my videos. In that it is there how to share it, how to do the linking of the spreadsheet. Okay. If we want to work simultaneously together in a spreadsheet to complete the work on time, which option of spreadsheet will help you? Shared worksheet. Shared worksheet means what here? That yes, one person is sitting in a different country, another one over here, or maybe cities may be varied. So at that time, what you can do? You can share it the spreadsheet with them, and whatever the changes are being done, तो वो changes आपको दिखेंगे. So shared worksheet, for that also again I'm saying that you can go to my videos. Which database is a type of database that stores data in several tables? So relational, that we know in Microsoft Access we have seen that relational database management system. Which database object helps us to retrieve the filter data based upon some condition? When you will give some condition, after that you will get the डेटा, तो आप कैसे करोगे विद द क्वेरीज, तो क्वेरीज में आप कोई कंडीशन दोगे तो उसके अकॉर्डिंग आपका टेबल बन के आएगा। लाइक फॉर एग्जाम्पल कि मुझे चाहिए कि क्लास 12th के बच्चों के नाम, देन आई कैन गिव द क्वेरी ओवर देयर, आई कैन सेट द क्वेरी, आई कैन सेट द कंडीशन ओवर देयर। Next, which type of network covers the areas such as home, school, computer lab or office building? So that is LAN, right? So LAN covers how much you know very well, right? Even the malls, you can say that in the mall also we are having the local area network, and now we are also having the Wi-Fi's in many of the places, right? Wi-Fi connection भी आजकल चलता है. So you can, if it is asked geographical area, according to that, then it will come LAN. Next, which field property you will use to set for a field if the user doesn't provide any value while entering the values in a table. So that is default value. अगर आप कोई भी वैल्यू नहीं डालते हो, बाय डिफॉल्ट में आपने डाल दिया, लाइक आई टेक इट एन एग्जाम्पल कि कंट्री मैंने यूएसए डाली या इंडिया, हर बार मुझे चाहिए कि यस इट मे बी इंडिया ओनली, राइट, तो मैं क्या करूंगी, I will write it India at the first, okay, in the default value में ही मैं डाल दूंगी, and afterwards whenever it will go for the new record के लिए वो जाएगा, तो वो by default वो वहाँ field में जहाँ country है वहाँ इंडिया लिखा हुआ आएगा, okay. Which software is a program that detects, prevents from malicious programs such as viruses? Everyone know antivirus, right? And in antivirus, if the examples you want to see, then Quickhill is the best example for us, right? Next, which fire extinguisher extinguish the fire primarily by interrupting the chemical of the fire? So that is dry chemical. Everyone know that we all have at our many malls, and that even you can say where the electricity is working, we even keep it at our home also. Some people keep it fire extinguishers, that is a dry chemical. Do not use the elevator in times of fire in the building. Always use what? तो आप क्या यूज करोगे in emergencies when there is an emergency over there? So at that time you will use your staircase, not the lift. Okay. Write the shortcut key to print a document. Control plus P. Very easy. Next, what refers to the relation of images to the surrounding text which made wrap around the graphic on one or both the sides? So that is text wrapping. आपको पता ही होगा that when you insert an image, at that time you will see a format tab आपके सामने आ जाएगा at the last, and in that we are having the text wrapping option in line with text, right? बहुत सारे options है, तो आप वो option select कर सकते हो for the image, right? Next, which feature is used to send the same basic letter with slight modification, यानी कुछ changes करने के बाद to a large number of people at the same time? Again, mail merge, right? So this type of changes they will give it, and they will ask you the question, what is a mathematical expression to perform calculation on data in cells called formula? So formula, we know it, formula bar also we know it, in Excel we know that we use it, the formulas. How many maximum rows and columns are there in each sheet of spreadsheet? Please remember this thing, okay? That is 10,48,576 rows and 16,384 columns, okay? Next, which tab is used to insert a function in a cell in a spreadsheet? That is insert, okay? In insert, we are having many of the functions. We are also having the function wizard, right? And even we can see it कि हमारे formula bar में function wizard वाला एक F करके लिखा होता है. By that also you can go. Next, what is the singular form of data? Datum. In the chapter at the first only it is given that what is data. Database में आप देख सकते हो, that is data and datum. In a database, data is stored in the form of, so table. Without the table it is not going to work, right? Table तो हमें चाहिए. Without the table it is not going to work. Database नहीं हो पाएगा. Like you want to create a form, report, so you need it at the first, the table. Every table must have unique field that can be designated as a primary key. In relational database management system, you have to remember the primary key. Why? Because in the field we needed a primary key to make it unique, like Aadhaar card number, roll number, GR number. ये सारा क्या है, वो एक यूनिक बनाता है उस रिकॉर्ड को, राइट. सो दैट इज नॉट द सेम फॉर एवरीवन. You should maintain a dash to survive and sustain in the workplace. Healthy lifestyle. Healthy lifestyle is very important for the workplace. आप चाहे आप स्कूल में पढ़ रहे हो या फिर आई एम अ टीचर, तो मैं टीचर की तरह मैं बोलूंगी कि yes I needed and healthy lifestyle, then only I can survive over here, I can sustain over here, right? Next, which device connects a group of dissimilar networks? So that is gateway. Okay. Next, what is the shortcut key to select an entire text in a document? पूरे text को select करने के लिए document में we are having the shortcut key, that is control plus A. And even you know that triple click on the selection bar, आपको selection area जो मिलता है near the ruler, that there when you will keep the cursor, तो उससे अगर आप triple click करोगे then the whole document will be selected. So hope you all have understand, and yes, I've completed. Thank you.